So I went out today and I saw these at the dollar store. They were only $3 for this bag of tulips. You get 5 tulips in each. And the reason why I picked them up is because they were all sprouting. So I decided that I'm going to buy the only ones that were left. There was 3 bags left. And I'm just going to pot them up and see how well they do. They all have a really nice sprout on them, so why not try? Bring a little spring into the house a little early. This one has 2 on it. Looks pretty good. I think I'll plant these fairly close together, kind of make room for 5 in each, so we'll get a nice little display once the tulips come up. Couldn't resist these grocery store roses. They looked so good and just screaming spring to me. I had to get a couple of them. Some of their leaves don't look like they're gonna last too long, but I cleaned them up and potted them up nonetheless. And here they are, looking just great. So don't sleep on dollar store bulbs and supermarket plants. You never know, you might find a gem, guys. Happy gardening. Don't forget, give me a like, share, subscribe. Let's become garden friends.